Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to record 4K 120 frames per second video on this device. So let's open camera on your device and now let's switch to video mode. Now at the top you can see resolution and frame rate. So you want to simply tap on it until you reach 4K, and here as well for 120 frames per second. And now we can start filming your video. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.